Hey, how's it going? This is Miniature Gold. This is a mix-up tutorial on how to make bit alerts. I realize that I am like 5 years in on using Mix It Up, and I've never gone over how to make a bit alert because I just assumed it was kind of easy. But if you're new to Mix It Up, it might be difficult for you, so I will make the video. Let me show you one of my, I have multiple bit alerts, but let me show you one of my bit alerts right now. So this is for 400 to 499 bits.
Hey, what's that?
That's Morse code.
What's it say, Moto?
It says beep, 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 beep.
It said 10 bits, but that's because it's taking the last bit amount that was sent, and the last bit amount that was sent was 10 bits. But if they cheered 400, it would say 400. But yeah, so I'll show you how to make a bit alert. If you find videos like these helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Mix It Up tutorials. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, Mix It Up gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. All right, first of all, the version that we are on is 1.6.312.0. Okay. Okay, so first of all, make sure you have an overlay set up. If you don't, you'll go to the gear in the top right. You will go to overlays. You should have a default overlay. Copy that. Go to OBS. Go to sources. Click on the plus sign. Add a browser source. Provide your that's Tangia, but provide your URL for your overlay and set it to 1920 by 1080 and control audio via OBS, and then make sure for that you have it set so that go to the audio mixer, go to pick any of them, hit the three dots, go advanced audio properties, and make sure you have your overlay set to monitor and output for the so that they can hear the audio. Okay, so that's how to set up the overlay. Let's talk about the alerts. Okay, now you can go to the menu in the top left, go to Twitch bits. Let's say you want to set one up for, this is for 1 to 10 bits. Let's go to this one because I've recently changed something so it just looks better here. So you'll go to add command, and over here you can set the number range. If you don't want to pick just one number, you could say like 1 to like 50 bits if you want to. Okay, give it a name. I start with the number of bits that this is for, and then give it a name so that it's easy to look up. When I look on the side here, I see 1K to 2K bits, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, and so on. And then whatever the alert type is. Like I call this one Morse code. Okay, so let's look at this one. Okay, there's a lot going on here. I'm going to delete what you don't need. You don't need this. Wait, sorry. Yeah, you don't need this, or this. Everything else we will keep. Okay, so the first thing we're adding. Okay, so first of all, this is from 400 to 499. I call it 400 to 500. You can call it something. If you want to be more specific, you could say 499, since it is exactly how much it is. And then yeah, set it to a number range if you want it to be within a certain range. If you want it to be a specific number, untoggle number range and set it to 400. If you have this clicked, what that does is that if another command has a wait inside of it, it will not prevent this from running. Okay. Okay, so first of all, I have my video. Okay, so go to the drop down, go to overlay, add it, give it a name, set this action to video, pick the overlay you want to show in. Mine is default, and then pick the video. I've set it to a width of 1000, and for the position, for the top left, I have it set to percentage for the screen position type, 11 for the X position, and 14 for the Y position, and that causes the video to go in the top left corner. Okay, and the further to the right you move this slider, the more to the right the video will show up, and the more to the right this slider goes for the Y position, the further down it will go. So the further from the top it will go. Okay, so that's the video. Next is the username. So again, this will be an overlay action. This time we'll select text. I have mine set to 3.5 seconds for the duration. You can set it as much as you want. For the video, we didn't set a duration because it'll just stop when the video is done playing. Okay, so for here, I have latest bits cheered user display name. That'll display the username in the right format, and it'll display the last user who cheered bits. And then I set my font size to 64, but 32 might suffice for you. My overlay is kind of messed up for some reason, so 32 might suffice for you. I've set my font to Arial, but set it to whatever you want. Set font color to yellow. For the position, I have it set to percentage for the screen position type, and then 11 for the position, for the left position, and 25 for the Y position, and that puts it right over the video. Okay. All right, next we have, it just says cheered. Okay. So what you can do is you can duplicate this and we'll make some changes. Okay. So you duplicate this, it'll say cheered. Arial white is fine. What's gonna change is the position. So we're moving this a little more to the left. So while this was 11x, this will be 6x. So this is a little further to the left of where the username was. So here's the username, and here's cheered. Okay. And for the Y position, I've set to 28. So that is 3 more than the Y position of the username. Okay. All right, next, we're going to duplicate this one. This is the bits, the number of bits that are cheered. So where this one said cheered, this next one will say $bits amount. So that'll be the amount that they cheered. Okay. So I'm not changing any of this. The font name, font color. I'm changing the position. The X position will be the same as the username, which would be 11. And the Y position will be the same as cheered, which is 28. And so now it looks like this. Okay. Okay, the last one is bits text. So this is basically literally just saying bits. And the reason why I do bits in different colors is to highlight it. So the username is highlighted yellow, I believe. Yep, and the actual number of bits is highlighted yellow as well. Okay. All right, so for bits text, so again, duplicate this. And this is literally just says bits. And yeah, this all stays the same. This will be white, this will be 64 and Arial. Position will be, it's a little to the right. So X position will be 15. And again, it says the percentage screen position type. And the Y position is 28. Just like cheered bits and bits text. Okay. And I'm giving a little bit of leeway as far as the space between the amount of bits and the bits text on the right, in case it gets like a bigger number. And then I have a weight action here. So go to the drop down, go to weight and add it. And I have this set equal to the length of this video. So this video is 7 seconds. So I set the wait time to 7. So right after the video is done, I have a Brian command. So go to the drop down, go to command, add it, run command, whatever your Brian command is called, and provide it $message. If you do not have a Brian command, go to the menu in the top left, go to community commands, type in Brian, This one's pretty good, made by AAA 162, and save that as your Brian command. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a bits alert. And if you want to reuse this for other bits alerts for other amounts, what I recommend you do is go to export and then save it as like bits alert, or you can be more specific and say the amount of bits alert, and make a folder called events and another folder called bits, and save it there inside your mix it up folder, so that whenever you have to make a bits alert, all you have to do is make a new command, import it, and just find your bits alert command that you saved. And yeah, that is how to make a bits alert. If you have any questions about that, please let me know in the comments. If you have any other ideas for videos you'd like me to make, please let me know. And if you'd like to talk with me, if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, Mix-Up Gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. All right, see ya.